I am RJ Preno, you can call me Ma'am Ira, and I am your instructor for today. Next topic is all about in roasting. Dalawang topic na tatakhalin or itatakal about roasting. This is a different roasting level and types of coffee beans. Are you ready, class? Introductions. Roasting is a slow cooking process using indirect diffuse heat to cook its ingredients. It's a dry heat cooking method where hot air surrounds the food and cooks it evenly on all sides at temperatures of at least 300 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. The heat can also be derived from an oven flame, an oven, or another heat surface. To the different types of roasting. So first is light roast with a temperature of 193 degrees Celsius or 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Light roast tends to be reminiscent of the color of silk. So yung light roast coffee ito ay applicable or most advised to those people na hindi masyadong mahilig sa or to those people na mas gusto nila yung light coffee lang, hindi masyadong matapang or hindi masyadong okay. So that is light roast. Roast with the temperature of 250 degrees Celsius or 380 degrees Fahrenheit. So medium roast is are more like milk chocolate or hickory. So si medium roast naman, siya yung type of coffee na um, nilalagyan ng milk. Kumbaga binabalanse yung pait at tamis. And then, it is most advisable for those people na mayroong mga night shift na ayaw masyadong or iniiwasan yung pagkakaroon ng palpitations. Is dark roast with a temperature of 218 degrees Celsius or 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Dark roast is a coffee bean with looks almost brown black. So this dark roast coffee is advisable more on to the people or those individual na nasa night shift yung work nila and then mas prepare nila yung tapang at pait na nalalasahan nila. So kasi meron kasabihan na kapag yung mga people or those individual na nasa night shift ang work, mas prepare nila yung dark roast kasi mas nakaka-enhance ng dugo natin para hindi tayo antukin. Forward for the types of greens. So first is extra coarse green. So extra coarse green is called brewing like the Tade brewer. So when we say extra coarse green, it is like the Tade brewer. Coarse green, French pot or coffee. Medium coarse green. So medium coarse green used in specialty devices like the Cafe Solo and Chewex brewers. So this medium coarse green is parang meron siyang advisable equipment para mag-green siya. So kasi pag inilagay lang natin siya sa hindi advisable na grinder nga or coffee grinder, it is possible na masira yung grinder or hindi natin makuha yung tamang texture or tamang shape ng ating coffee beans. Green. So, fine green. Ito yung mga ginagamit sa special machine. So, if you see this special machine and alam mo sa mga coffee shop, di ba, minsan kasi nakikita natin yung live cooking nila ng mga coffee. So, si fine green, ito yung mostly na ginagamit sa espresso machine. So, next, the last but not the least, is extra fine green. Ito namang extra fine green, ito ay ginagamit for the Turkish coffee. Turkish coffee. End of our topic for today's. I hope that you learned something new about our topic. So, see you next week. Again, I am IJ Bueno. You can call me Ma'am Ira. See you next week.